Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and today I'm going to show you how to make a delightful Asian pot roast. All right, Ben, before we get the fireworks started here, we are going to make the sauce that you are going to pour over your roast. Okay, so here we got some beef broth, and don't worry about all the measurements because it'll be in the description and on the pages, the websites, the Substack, we got it everywhere. Yet still people are asking, all right? That's where it is. Anyway, beef broth, soy sauce, got a little rice vinegar here, hoisin filled to the top of that little cup. There we go. Ben, I was reminded that it is Lunar New Year, so it is so appropriate that we are making this dish.
What does that even mean?
I have no idea, but it's Asian, and this is Asian. Okay? Got a little brown sugar, minced garlic. I would drink just that. Ginger, sesame oil, a little chili, give it a little spice. Is there anything I forgot? Maybe I'll throw a banana in there. Anyway, I got the whisk, and let's give this a nice, gentle mix. And you can do this ahead of time if you want to let it sit in the fridge a little bit, really absorb all of those flavors. Not a bad idea. However, I got no time for that because by the time this is actually done, it'll be midnight, and we have categories to play with the ladies, Trivial Pursuit, smoking cigars, lots of drinking this afternoon. We're shooting this right before President's Day.
Who's your favorite president?
I've told you this. My junior high teacher said that the two most important people in the history of the world are Jesus Christ and George Washington. So I'm going with George Washington because without George Washington, we wouldn't be here free making this Chinese dish.
Fun fact, Washington, ginger.
Really?
Yeah, history recorrected it.
Really?
And made it seem like he wasn't a redhead.
I thought it was just a wig.
Well, the wig was also part of the fashion, but it was to hide the fact he was a ginger.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Guy was unbelievable.
Yeah.
Gotta give it to him.
I mean, hey, didn't want to be president.
Is that true too?
Yeah, that's why he only served 2 terms. And he was like, I'm out of this bitch.
I didn't know that.
They wanted him to serve a 3rd term, and he was like, no. And they thought it was because he was magnanimous. It's because he just wanted to go back to his farm.
Who knew you were gonna get this history lesson here on the Sunday before President's Day, huh?
One of those crazy, I'm like 70% sure on all of that.
I was gonna say, there's something about this whole little thing that you're telling me right now that doesn't seem, you're selling it, but you are a storyteller. You are a storyteller. Okay, so once you got that all mixed up, you're gonna put it off to the side, and now we gotta sear our roast. All right, we got our Dutch oven here, sesame oil, that's what we're gonna sear our roast. And I'm gonna put my stovetop between medium and high.
Mahai?
Mahai. We never go medium high.
No, medium.
We never go medium.
Medium.
Medium? Hidium. Anyway, let's coat the bottom here. Sesame oil. I love sesame oil. Ben, do you love sesame oil? You wouldn't even know.
I wouldn't.
Yep. And then we're just gonna wait for this to get hot. We're gonna put our roast in there. Should we unveil our roast?
Do it.
Dun, 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 dun. Look at that. Look at that beauty, huh? Ben, pan me, look at the smile. Take this out of your fridge, the roast. About an hour and a half, 2 hours before you make it, you wanna bring it somewhat to room temperature. Then you are going to generously salt and pepper all sides. Front, back, left, right, up, down. Season everything well. As you can see, everything is seasoned. Nice. And then we're going to sear 2 minutes on all sides. So I'm going 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. There we go.
Why did you go Asian roast?
Because it has such amazing flavor. Listen, I think, just for me personally, Asian food, as Italian as I am, I'm gonna get a lot of heat from the people that I know on the East Coast and all my Italian family. Asians up there, Ben. It may be one.
Wow.
Chinese, Japanese, Thai, Vietnamese.
Korean barbecue?
Korean barbecue. Home run after home run after home run. So we're using a prime cut chuck roast. You know, you could use some different types of meat too, like a ribeye. But I like using the truck roast because 3-4 hours in there, slow cooking, a lot of juices, very flavorful. It absorbs all of that. And then at the end, we're gonna tear it apart and shred it Gonna serve it over rice, and this is going to be absolutely dynamite. How's my hair today?
Excellent.
Our good friends over at Huntington Meats, they always have these cuts readily available. You may not always get so lucky when walking into your local butcher. You may have to let them know maybe a few days ahead of time what you're looking for, and you put it in order. As you can see on this roast, my butcher does this for me. You get the strings around it. The reason why you want that is so it holds together really nicely and cooks very evenly. Is it an absolute necessity? It is not, but it is very nice, and it also helps with handling it, getting in and out, especially when you have to sear it like this. All right, now that nice sauce that we got, we're gonna pour it right over our roast, and then we're gonna add our vegetables. We got these nice yellow onions, got 1.5, and you just quarter them. That's what you wanna do, just quarter them. Then we got some mushrooms over here, some white mushrooms, some cremini, some carrots, and you got them chopped up just like that. We got a rough cut on the carrot. We're gonna put these in right after we give this a little bath. All right, so we got our onion, and you're just gonna add it around. Everything's gonna wilt down anyway because this thing's gonna cook. Oh, that smell, Ben. Wow. We got the oven at 300 degrees, and you're gonna slide it in there. Like I said, 1 pound per hour. So this is about a 4.5 pound roast. So we're gonna go about 4.5 hours. And that should, when it's done, fall apart. And that's what we're looking for. And then we're gonna serve it over some really nice rice and have one heck of a day. You know, with the winter coming to a close, you got maybe 2-3 more weekends to make one of these hearty, delicious dishes. Why not do an Asian pot roast? I mean, it doesn't get better. This is a great dish on a Sunday when it's cold because it's a slow burner. This is gonna take 4.5 hours to cook. Maybe you watch one of your favorite games, a great movie, hang out with your friends, your family. It's going to be excellent. If you want this recipe, as always, it's in the description below. And from our house to yours, bon appetit. This is not fresh gel. I took a shower last night. I gelled it, went out for sushi. Asian again.
Wow.
Asian again. All right, sugarfish, what's up? And then I redid the hair, reapplied it this morning. I washed it out, but it's not fresh. The Field,
I see.
had a game on it last night.
It looks fresh though.
Yeah, you know, I try and take care of it.
Yeah, you do good.
Only the natural berries and juices.